is a very talented and confident Saudi Arabia. Team up the left. Acuña's cross into the middle. Sails over the target. Alexis Vega trying to run away. Did he throw an arm into Montiel? Yes, he did. Montiel is down. Both benches are upset right now.
It was two and set the tone there with maybe a card or at least a talking to of captain.
Certainly did settle things down at least until the next moment. Then it boils back up. Chucky Lozano. Lisandro Martinez for company. Mexico corner.
That was a good spell for Mexico.
The sixth man to play in 5 different World Cups. Messi and Ronaldo on that list along with 2 other Mexican players.
They're leaving him behind.
Alves sends it in, gets knocked down, and comes all the way through. Cesar Montes got the first touch.
Body language and using your hand signals is maybe more important than trying to.
With the U.S., they also love the idea of seeing Argentina and Brazil. Now Vega knocked away.
Ooh.
Big challenge there.
I saw that one coming and
lifted towards DePaul. Mexico will win this game. No matter what happens on the run. Lozano in front of him. Doesn't really have any support, and he's happy enough to let that be swept out for a throw.
Yeah, that's a game plan too.
We through. Messi came off. Strong header. It'll be an interesting offside decision potentially, and then Guardado goes down holding his head. Flag does come up. It was offside in that. Second ball, though, controlled by Herrera. Chucky Lozano turns inside of one. Little contact from behind by Otamendi. And a free kick coming for Mexico. It runs past. Guardado rolled to the far side. Clipped in by Chavez. And knocked down, but no foul there. Good work by Emiliano Martinez. Team it down, then he gives the pass away. Trying to find Messi. Looking to pick Araujo's pocket. Late challenge there. McAllister, and he's rolling around in pain.
We're going to get our first yellow, and rightfully so. Here, this
sitting on a yellow card the rest of the way as Argentina play it short.
Just turns to the bench, even to the bench he's telling, you have to do this, you have.
Chance for Mexico to get that. Alvarez sliding through, Acuña kept it in, crossing it in while the whistle's gone for a foul there. Looks like as Alvarez is that affected the game.
I'd say it's good so far for Mexico, but what it's...
Lozano again couldn't rise all the way up and was offside. And off the ball. It's almost 90,000 fans here at Lusail Stadium. McAllister is chopped down by Lozano. Di Maria running in. Got bumped off it. Alvarez
going to try to stretch the game and get in behind this Mexican team. So
whipping that right in. Ochoa punches it straight up in the air. It's a chaotic scramble of bodies. It's a foul as Ochoa goes down.
Yeah, the goalkeeper's always going to get that one. You have to try and avoid contact.
Get there. Messi goes down in a heap. Wrestling match on the other end.
It's exact.
Couldn't hold it in cleanly. Now trying to round the corner on Vega. Slides through.
And a foul.
Free kick Argentina. Herrera with the help. Guardado almost got his pocket. To the middle, DePaul once again. Trying to weave his way out. Can he get back to it? Runs out of room. Playing with freedom. Boy, did that change when Saudi Arabia beat him. World Cup, and Guardado does not make it out of the first half.
Days.
Off the throw in for Vega. Herrera running through, falls free. Gutierrez first touch, and to get there in time, he did.
That's going to be yellow.
Yellow card shown. Free kick coming. It's Montiel. It's Vega. Save. Added minutes. Di Maria crossing in. No one there. Many looking long, trying to get Montiel in behind. Gallardo, can he shepherd it out? Yes.
Far too slow in and around the goals, and it's just too static. It's easy for Mexico in the final third, and the decision-making has not been good.
Have one. He's able to weave to the open side of the field. Comes inside. Vega picks it up. Vega picks it up. Here's Messi now to the far side. The cross in, stabbed behind by a sliding Cesar Montes. Out for an Mexico. 2002. Actually won their opening game that time.
Well, that substitution, and different tweaks, but I think that you'll see Argentina play a little bit more aggressively in their pressure on the Mexican back line.
Araujo will cross in. Lozano, can he get back to it off the chest? No, but it's sliced up. Poland getting the 2-0 win over Saudi Arabia. Earlier, on inside McAllister for Messi. Has the step on Gutierrez. Free kick coming for Argentina. Yellow card out, and this is Lionel Messi territory. Messi couldn't get it down.
And he's frustrated.
That's an offside flag that'll end that sequence. Running at Gallardo. Di Maria hooks that cross it late run from McAllister. Messi gets it away. Return bouncing wide.
1-2. Now he's got two shirts around him, trying to do anything. And
Saudi Arabia, and he's on now. First sub of the night for Argentina. Gutierrez on a yellow. Got to be careful. Messi trying to lay that through, knock free to the middle setup. Vega hooks it into a terrific area. It's flicked.
They're just trying not to lose the game and fancy themselves.
Or stepping forward to intercept that. Into the middle for Lionel Messi!
For Argentina, just a half yard of space. How quickly he gets the ball off his feet. And then on that wand, that magical left foot of Lionel Messi, right through the ball, across goal, past Ochoa. One shot, one goal. King Leo does it again.